Before we get started, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Also check the description for some links. I'm doing live virtual guitar lessons now, so check that out and let's get into it. Alright, so for this little piece of the tune, this is like the intro and some of the verse, I think. So you're just going to play very simple power chords. They're called 5 chords. So you're just going to take your index finger, set it on the 7th fret of the E, and then your ring finger 9th fret of the A, pinky 9th fret of the D. And you're going to focus your strum just on those lowest 3 strings. Now the strum pattern, slowed down, is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. A little slower. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Now the only problem is that we got to move to another chord before we finish the strum pattern. So we got. So you're going to go down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So you're taking that exact shape, B5 power chord, and you're moving it to 4th fret for a G sharp 5 power chord. So we're going to go down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Alright, you with me? One more time. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Now we're going to take that exact shape, that 5 power chord shape, and we're going to move it so that index finger is on 6th fret of the A, ring finger's on, 8th fret of the D, pinky 8th fret of the G. And the next 2 chords are going to be that there on 6th fret to 7th fret. So you're going to do the same strum pattern. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. One more time. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So you put it all together. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Alright, so this is like just kind of a nice little minor sounding guitar riff that I heard the Luthdrix do. So you could just set your ring finger down on the 9th fret of the high E string and just be ready to have your index finger here on the on the 7th fret of the high E string. So you're going to pluck, you pluck, and then you pluck again. And you're going to bend it up and let it return back. So you got. Then you're going to pull off to 7th fret. So you got. Then you're going to slide your index finger down to 6th fret. So you got. And you're going to do it again. But then just return to 7th fret. Alright, so this is like sort of a pre-chorus section, I think. Just some driving chords on the Luthdrix. So we're staying with those same 5 power chords. The B5, the G sharp 5, the E flat 5, and the E5. So you're just going to go down, up, and then karate chop your hand sideways on the strings and mute it. Then you go to the next chord, down, up, mute. Next chord, down, up, mute. Next chord. It does it twice. So it does that a couple times. Alright, so this is just a play on the same chords. So you're going to do kind of that same concept, the down-up rhythm. But on the last two chords, you just drive down strums. Do it again. And then you could do that if you want, just kind of a rake down, up across the strings. And then it goes into the chorus, which is just all driving downs. Something I thought of that you could do if you want. If you want to, instead of go to the E5 here, you could just set your index finger across the second fret of the A and the D. And you get a lower E5 chord there. So you could be like... if you want. So that's one other little detail you'll hear in there. I think at the end of a couple of the choruses, you're driving the B5 to the G sharp 5 to the E flat 5, and then that's how I like to do those. When you kind of hear those offbeat hits, you just go down on and do like a quick like chuck or rake across the strings, then up strum, and that gets you those offbeat strums. So this should be all the sections you need. If you just use your ears, you should be able to get through the song with what I've shown you here. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.